While you can't predict or prevent an emergency, what you can do is be prepared. In addition to having your own disaster kit, if you have pets, make sure you plan for them as well. The first thing you need to do is make sure that all of your pets have identification. Tags, collars, and microchips are a must, even for indoor cats. The second thing you want to do is make sure that your pets have their own disaster kit packed full of supplies that may help save their life in the event of an emergency. And you can either buy these online, or I'm going to show you how easy it is to make such a kit. The first thing you'll need is a backpack or duffel bag where you're going to put your supplies. I recommend using a bright colored one like this one so that it's easy to identify and locate. Next, you're going to want to make sure you have enough food for 2 or 3 days. Canned food lasts longer than dry food, so that's usually what I recommend. Either have the pop tops, or if you have an old style can, make sure you don't forget the can opener. You also want to make sure you have food bowls and water bowls, and you want to make sure not to forget to pack water for your pet. You also want to make sure that you have a leash or a cat carrier, depending on what your pet is. And then you want to also pack your pet's treat, their favorite treat, something that you can use if they get lost or they hide during an emergency, which is pretty common. So it's something to really entice them out of their hiding space. In addition, if your pet's on any medication for arthritis or thyroid problems, make sure you pack some extra medication for them in case you can't get to your vet. And you want to make sure you have your pet's medical records, a copy of those, and definitely a copy of your pet's vaccine history, a first aid kit, and a thermal blanket. And that's all you really need to pack. As you can see, it can be that easy. The big thing is if a disaster happens, to remain calm, locate your pets, get them to safety, and of course grab your disaster kit. Hopefully I've shown you how easy it is to make a disaster kit and motivated you to make one for your pets if you don't already have one. Being organized and being prepared can really make a difference in a disaster.